This is not showing it well on the camera, but there's a nice sunrise over there. It's kind of cloudy out because it's supposed to rain. Bear bag somewhere over there. Like, I don't sleep super well out here yet. I wake up every 2 hours or so. Can you focus on my face? Thank you. But then around like 4 a.m. I kept hearing a bunch of weird noises. It was probably like an owl or something, but I didn't like it. So I didn't sleep very well. And I'm just gonna head down to the Lance restoration area today, try to let my arm rest and recover before I have to go over Blood Mountain. I am taking it really easy today. My arm is still swollen and hurts a little bit. There's no discoloration or anything, so I'm hoping it's just overuse. Because I talked to one of my friends. She's not a doctor, but she knows some medical stuff. She said it sounds like overuse, so I'm gonna go down to Lance Creek and stay there for the night. It's starting to rain now, but I've come to the Dockery Lake Trail. I wonder where that one goes. There's a little unofficial campsite back there. Probably less than half a mile from Lance Creek now, so hopefully I can get there before it starts raining too hard. It stopped raining, and this is Lance Creek. Rained for the majority of the afternoon, so that was fun. And tomorrow I'm just gonna see how my arm is because it's getting a little concerning.